This JMP demonstration shows how to use the Microsoft Excel add-in to pass data from Excel into JMP. The Excel add-in appears as a ribbon at the top of your Excel window. The add-in, which is available on Windows only, will be present so long as Excel was installed on your machine prior to installing JMP, and when you installed JMP, you chose to include the Excel add-in. If you have both JMP and Excel installed on your machine but don't see the add-in, just reinstall JMP and choose to include the add-in with the installation. The left section of the add-in, which is labeled Transfer to JMP, includes shortcuts for getting Excel data into JMP and for launching select JMP platforms. Use the Preferences button to specify the name of the JMP data table once it's imported, as well as some settings regarding column names and whether you want hidden rows and columns transferred into the JMP data table. Clicking the Data Table button will bring the data from Excel into JMP according to the preferences that we've specified. The remaining buttons in the Transfer to JMP section, from Graph Builder through Control Chart, will both import the data and launch the corresponding JMP platform. For example, if we click the Graph Builder button, the data table is imported as it was before. But in addition, the Graph Builder platform is launched so that we can start our graphical exploration of the data.